Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Griffain USDT trading pair with my customer set targets and updates for this token. Let's dive in. All right, guys. So AI agent, I guess, will pumps again, and together with the Sol meme sector again, because I don't think so that Solana will not hit the new all-time high. I believe Sol will hit the new all-time high. It's just a matter of time when BTC dominance will be under 55% at least. And I think the meme sector, the AI agents, it's not at the beginning, no, but I think we will see some hype again. Maybe just by marketing, maybe just from influencer, no matter what, no matter how, but I think that token will pump again, and a lot of people will stock it again in that type of tokens. What I want to tell you now about Griffain. First of all, like I explain it all the time, for me personally, all of these tokens is more fair than this fancy tech project, because now we got 100% tokens in circular supply, right? So we don't have any like venture funds who get on the seed round some tokens and allocation 3 years before. It's some penny, and after that it's pump tokens so crazy and distributed no matter what the price. And now, because they get the free token from the air. Now we got 100% tokens here in circular supply, market cap 71 million. So it's kind of low cap token. This token traded on Binance, even on the perps, I guess. Here, Binance, let me check futures. Yes, on a Binance on the futures. Here's a chart on a BitGet since December 12, listing on a BitGet, but this token traded before. So around here, it was a listing on BitGet, this candle, right? And here's the top. So imagine the listing on a BitGet was at 2 cents, and token pumped it to 62 cents. It was a crazy rally, right? But here, it's a weekly time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks before this token traded, I guess on a pump fund, right? It's from pump fund or not? Token AI, no. Maybe on a pump fund, I don't know exactly, but take a look. Even here, this token traded at 0.203. So imagine the hype around. So 0.203, this token pumped almost to $1, 62 cents. It was a crazy rally. And here was a 0.23091. Of course, it doesn't mean that guys here who bought it here, sell it here. No, they could sell it here, after that buying back here, sell it here, buying back here. Maybe that guy's now in average profit, but it doesn't work like this one. So you find here, count, oh, we pump it like crazy. Take a look, we pump it 19,000% gains. That guy's definitely fix the profit at the top. No, it doesn't work like this one, guys. Here we get a buys. Now a lot of people start buying this token. Not a big amount, but here was the sales. So I highly recommend you, by the way, track the history, on DEX Screener. It's give you the wider picture. And usually when the hands change it on centralized exchanges, we drop it down almost to the listing price. Of course, here it's a much better risk ratio, right? Risk rewards entry than it was, for example, here, right? And of course, here everybody talk about Griffain. Now nobody talk about Griffain, and definitely here people scream we're going to the moon to $1 to the billion market capitalization. Here nobody talk about it, so here's the silence, and most likely at 27 block at 23 cents, 25 cents, everybody will start talking about this token again. Unfortunately, guys, this is how the human nature works. Here the highest point of the market capitalization was at here at the top. So around 558 million market capitalization. If you believe in $1, of course you can invest even now. It's only up to you to buy or not. I skip this token. I can't invest in all of these meme tokens. But here, 27 block initiation accumulation pump model still relevant, because we still not invalidate the lowest point 2 cents on the BitGet, and the zone of fixation of swings will be here, 27 level. usually based on this model. So I'll recommend you go and check free educational video how to work with that model. So from this low, just approximately, it can be like 896%. And of course, guys, you from the low it will be around 1000. So I'll recommend you all the time, guys, if you buy in here, you could fix now from the last zone of interest here. Let me check, 60%. So if you bought it here, right, you could fix now 60%. Take a look how the price respect the level. Here was a 0.5 level by FIB, bounce to from 11 cents, pump it to 28, so you could fix and withdraw initial deposit. Here, reaction at 86 level by FIB, pump, drop. And we didn't drop on the listing price, so technically this model is still relevant. What to do if we will see something like this one? There's an open space, just open space, and we can add few zeros, dump to the DAX screener price targets. But I guess if we will see the hype around the AI agents, you know, it's not necessary, so we will hit the new all-time high for this token or for all tokens, no. But we get a chance to bounce. Also, we can, if we go to the monthly time frame, there is no gaps. Gap will be only here, 20 cents. But we can hit here, this one, 35 cents. And the cycle like this one. And going down. Yes, it's more than real. So that guys who bought it here, for example, sell it here, buying back again, and can fix a profit 1000% gains again from meme token, from the air. It's money from the air. That's why, guys, the meme sector, it's not always about a to the moon and all of this stupid cliche. It's about a strategy and the plan with proper money management. After 100% profit, you withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens, and after that, build the realistic targets, more conservative price targets, where to fix a profit step by step. So that's it, guys. Better, I all the time repeat, better finish the ride in profit, in some profit, than stuck for the tokens forever or for the next 3 years. And especially for AI agents and meme tokens, you can stuck forever because 99% tokens will be just vanishing from the market in the next 3 years or 2 years. So that's it, guys. Take a look now with my customer cassette. What's going on now with this token here? This was a touch of accumulation block on a weekly time frame. Now we need to see some distribution block at ADZ. Direction, no signal yet on a weekly. Still a free on a market mood. Take a look on daily. On a daily, it was a pure divergence here from low 13 cents here. We formed the huge divergence here to the low of April and to the low of April 18 to the 2 cents here. From February 2 till April formed the huge divergence on the chart. Here was a beginning of accumulation from the whales. So you could track everything by yourself if you use my customer cassette. We traded long-term periods in capitulation zone. Now it's a AFRIA, but the size of AFRIA, not even close to the top when we saw at 60 cents. So yes, we can see even like this move, right? If this token is not a pure scam, we can see like this drop and bounce. Positive case scenario, drop, consolidation, continuation. Pretty simple, guys. I repeat it again, when you see order flow like this one, at least we will go and close to 50%. So don't need to build a so complicated charts, guys. Now a lot of charts looks pretty similar. So it's just price delivery with the news, with the hype, with the market, with influencer. It's just a matter of time. That's why I recommend you to withdraw initial deposit after every single 100% profit. Take a look the trade on weekly, no data, daily. Here, here's the sum whales fix the profit. Here, drop, nothing new. 12 time frame, buy, recommendation, close position, close position, close position, close position. Take some profit, and technically from that buy, you could fix 64%. That's it. On a 4 hour time frame, of course, there was a lot of signals to buy here. So technically, guys, I wish to see the sideways and continuation. But I skipped this token. I invested in another meme tokens on Sol. Let's check the money power. It was a silly dragon, the when, that cat token, the Billy. I tracked the Billy now. And here's a daily. Here was a money inflow. So the whales accumulate step by step. Now the money outflow, step by step on the daily, but the main money outflow, I guess, will be way, way higher. Here, we just tested the middle line. So the crucial moment will be we have to pass this middle line and go into the top. Something like this one. If not, and we reject now, yes, it can be the double bottom, and we can drop again in May or in summer, right? To form the new historical lower low and invalidate the idea. If we invalidate the idea, the target's absolutely the same, but work with the gains, with percentage gains. Take profit, guys, indicator, weekly, no data, daily. We trade way under from a value. Here, retest the buy line. Take profit line, it's 9 cents at 34. Exit line with a weak candle, we can test 0.5. It's 11. 21, 12 hour frame, we trade way over exit line. So technically, if we talk about local daily intraday or swing trades, it's not a good entry. It's not a good entry. So at least would be good to see the correction, I don't know, to 4 cents maybe, or to the buy line at 2 cents again, but I don't think so. We will see this one. 4 hour frame, yes, we can see that correction again, bounce, and after that drop to the buy line and go higher. So global targets, guys, I believe if this token is not a pure scam and Solana will hype again, it's 23-25 cents. Fixation profit on the spot when nobody knows, 31 cents, and maybe new all-time high. Invalidation of idea, So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about Griffain. If you'd like to trade with my customer site, what I showed in this video is right medium. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.